Hello students, today we are going to start class 5th subject science chapter 16 question answers. So here the first question is, study the picture given below the tick and those picture is. It's a picture of Vikram Sarabhai. Okay, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Now list any 3 peaceful uses of atomic power. And your answer is, the peaceful uses of atomic power are for the production, electricity, healthcare, agriculture, industry, and research. Okay, you can write any 3. Now, what is the role of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai in bringing cable television in India? So, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai played a vital role in bringing cable television in India by establishing a satellite instructional television experiment site. Now, what did Shivaji learn from his mother Jijabai? Jijabai was very intelligent and religious, strong, determined, and self-esteemed woman. She taught Shivaji to keep one's self-respect, bravery, and well-being. She inspired him to fight for injustice, mortality, drama, and karma. She supervised Shivaji's education and training with various weapons. Shivaji learned from his mother the quality of thinking peacefully even at the time of crisis and make foolproof strategies. Okay, now here the Mazzi columns, and here's the answer of the Mazzi column. Okay, now the question number 6. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, besides being great scientist, was interested in which other field? Answer is, beside being a great scientist, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai also had interest in the field of art, culture, education, and social work. Now, why was the Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba taken to the doctor when he was a child? Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba was taken to the doctor when he was child because he used to sleep very less. His parents were worried about this health condition, but doctor found no problem with the health. Now, the next question. Why should we make timetable for our studies, especially during the examination? Child. We should make timetable for studies, especially during examination, as it helps us to concentrate more on the studies without wasting time on the activity that are not important. The timetable is formed of strategies that help us to do well in the exam. Now, the 9th question. Look at the picture Aryabhatta given below the frame. 3 questions to it. Okay. So here you can see the 3 questions. Who was the main person of fabricate the launch an Indian satellite when it was it launched, and how was Aryabhatta sent into space? Okay. Now the 10th and 11th question, and here is the answer of 10th and 11th. Okay, so children, this work you have to do in your notebook. Thank you.